Have you ever experienced an issue with your mouse before? And have you ever experienced that you weren't able to wreck that scrub because of your mouse? Then I got the solution for you. Turn your mouse into a wireless one for free! Wow. All you need is your shitty mouse and get yourself some cutting pliers. Now grab your shitty mouse and just cut straight through the cable. Don't worry, it will be fine. But wait, it suddenly doesn't work anymore. Well, that's a common issue, and here's how to fix it. Just grab your mouse and throw it out the fucking window. There, just like that.
NANI?!
I just realized something. Now I have to find the fucking pieces.
Ooh. Oh. Yes. There you go. Yes.
Now you gotta make sure it's clean. So put all this shit in a bucket and turn on the fucking shower. And you're done. Have fun wrecking scripts now.
Derpity derp 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 derpity derp 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 derpity derp 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 derpity derp 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 derp.
That's a lot of damage.
Derp derpity derp 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 derp.